Welcome to the island town of Werder an der Havel, also known as Brandenburg's Little Venice. Here, visitors can experience the Mediterranean flair, surrounded by water, narrow streets, waterfront promenades, and boats right in front of the houses. This beautiful small town, which is approximately 48 minutes away from Berlin Hauptbahnhof, also tells its own story. So if you are around Germany and are not sure if Werder Havel is the right place for you, keep watching, because in this video, we will learn about interesting facts the place has to offer. The name Werder, an old word meaning land surrounded by water, hints the town's unique location. This historic old town sits on an island in the middle of the Havel River. Over the centuries, a vibrant island town developed from a small fishing settlement. The old town was largely established in the 17th century and remains are still clearly recognizable today. The exquisite appearance of the island town is defined by two striking structures: the 45-meter high tower of the neo-Gothic Church of the Holy Trinity, with the Baroque stucco building of the old town hall rising just in front of the church, demonstrates how strongly the architectural style of the 18th century continues to influence the townscape, and the reconstructed post mill, which rises prominently above the town. The windmill caught fire in 1973, and in November 1985, individual parts of the mill of the same kind were found in Klosa near Leipzig, transported to Werder, professionally treated and constructed on the same site from September 1987 onwards. The shell and blades were completed in April 1991, and the silhouette of the mill stands once again as the landmark of Werder an der Havel. Together with the cultural landscape around the Havel River, they shape Werder's distinctive panorama. Around 1900, Werder expanded beyond the island onto the mainland. The resulting Grundzeit-era suburb, with its richly decorated facades, now forms the bustling center of the town. Werder is ideal for swimming and sailing by the water in the good weather. Today, Werder is both a popular place to live and a sought-after tourist hotspot. The heart of the city is the historic old town with cobblestone streets, lovingly restored half-timbered houses, small cafes and restaurants right on the water, and picturesque harbors with sailboats and yachts. So if you are a nature lover and seeking a peaceful retreat, the tranquil river views of Werder an der Havel, and for being designated as Erholungsort, recognized for its healthful air and climate, offers all locals and visitors a delightful escape. I hope that this video will help you appreciate the town even more. And before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Jhongix channel. Until my next travel, choose